Hello and welcome to today's class. My name is Janet. In this lesson we'll be talking about logarithms. The logarithm of a number to a certain base is a power to which the base must be raised to obtain the number. The logarithm, which is log of a number to a certain base, is equal to x. That's just what I mean. To explain it better, you can say the logarithm of a number to a certain base is the power to which the base must be raised. The logarithm of a certain number, that means this is the number, the power to which the base must be raised to obtain the number. That means the number is equal to the base raised to the power of, okay, x. So that explains it. Now in logarithm, we have laws. Laws of logarithm. The first law, you can call it the addition law. We have let's call it base b to the log x base b plus log y base b is equal to log, when you are adding two logs, that means you multiply the numbers. So you have log s times y, since they are of the same base b. So that gives you log base b xy, or log xy base b. Now if you are given an example of this where we have log base 10 log 10 base 10 and log 7.2 base 10, remember what you do is multiply the numbers. This is the number, this is the base. Multiply them, they share the same base. So log base 10, that's 10 times 7.2, that gives us log 72 base 10. That's for the multiplication. Then we also have this division, log, let me still call it log x base b minus log y base b. So this gives us log base b x divided by y. If we are given the same example, or let me give a different example, we have log 3 base 10 minus log 10 base 10. What we have is log base 10, 3 divided by 10. That gives us log 0.3 base 10. Now we also have another law which says when we have log of a number raised to the power of another number of base b, it gives us, that means the power, you move it over here. So we have log n. First of all, the n moves over before the log n, it becomes n log x base b. Alright, then the next one we have is where we have log of base k, let me call it base k, log a base k divided by log k again, and log base k b. Alright, so since this is a, this is b, it then becomes, they are of the same basis. It then becomes log b a, okay, log a base b. Okay, that's a law. We are going in examples, where the examples we are going to solve, we will see how to apply them. Or let's just say we have log base 10 7 over log base 10 3. That will, the logs will cancel each other, so we are left with log 3 7, or log 7 base 3. Alright, the next log is where we have log base b x, or log x base b, it's equal to log base b y. remember, even in indices, it's that same way. You equate the numbers, which is x is equal to y. Now, where we have an example, we have log base 10, 8 equals to log m base 10. You equate the powers, or equate the numbers, sorry. We have m is equal to 8. That explains that law. Then we have the next law, where we have log, when it is log base b, the number and the base are the same, that log equals 1. So where we have log base 10, 10, that log is equal to 1. Then finally, for now, where we have log base b, the number and the number is 1, that is equal to 0. Just as we have in indices, when a number is raised to the power of 0, that number is equal to 1. So where we have log base 3 raised to the power of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now to simplify this log, 27 base 3 minus 2 log 9 base 3 minus log 54 base 3. Sorry, this is plus. Now remember the rule of log, that when it is addition, you are multiplying the numbers. So here, since everything had the whole of the log is log 3, log base 3, so I will put log base 3 outside here, factorize it, and then 27 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 2. 9, this 2 goes up here, raised to the power of 2, over, why is it dividing? Minus 54. Okay, so next, let's simplify it further. We have log base 3, 27 times the square of 9 is 81, divided by 54. So we look for a common factor that can divide any of the numerators and the denominator at the same time. So let's see. I'm saying 9 can divide 54 6 times, and 9 can divide 81 9 times. So we are left with, it becomes log 3 27, log base 3 27 multiplied by 9 over 6. So what's another common factor that can divide 6 and any number up there? So we have 3 can divide 6, that will be 3, that will be 2, and 3 can divide 27, that's 9. So what we are left with is now log 9 multiplied by 9, 81 over 2. So I'm going to change it back in this form. So the answer becomes log 81, this over, that means base 3, minus log 2 base 3. So log 81, remember the definition of log is the number of times the base will be raised to the power to give the number. So the number of times 3 will be raised to power is 4. That's 3 times 3, that's 9, 9 times 3, 27, 27 times 3, that's 81. That will be 4 times. So we have log 3 raised to the power of 4 base 3 minus log 3 log 2 base 3. So the 4 moves behind, that will be 4 log 3 base 3 minus log 3 log 2 base 3. Log 3 base 3 will give us 1 from one of the definition, from one of the laws of logarithm. We say where the log or the log of the number and the base are the same, the answer gives us 1. So we have 4 times 1 minus log 2 base 3. So our final answer, 4 times 1 will give us 4 minus log 2 base 3. That's the final answer. Now, if we are given a log of base 5, 125, log root 125 base 5. It can be expressed this way. We have log 125 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Remember, if it is a third root, it will be 1 over 3. If it is fourth root, it will be 1 over 4. Depending on what root it is. This is square root, that's why it's 1 over 2. Now, definition of log. The log of a number is a number of times the base will be raised to the power to give you that number. So, the number of times 5 will be raised to give me 125 will be, of course, log base 5. 5, that will be 3 times. Remember, we are still multiplying with 1 over 2. So, we will still apply the rule of indices, where power and power, the powers will multiply each other. So, we have, let me put it down here, log base 5, okay, 3 multiplied by 1 over 2 base 5, okay. So, here, when they multiply each other, it becomes log 5, 3 over 2, raised to the power of 3 over 2 base 5. This moves over here. So what we have here now will be 3 over 2 log 5 base 5. We have come back to log 3 base 3. Where the number and the base are the same, it becomes 1. So we have 3 over 2 multiplied by 1. Our final answer is 3 over 2.